wish that you all are fine. So today we are going to learn a new question based on the compound interest, and the question is like this: a sum of money is paid back in 2 annual installment of Rs1764, each with adding 5% compound interest. So on A section we have to find what is the total amount paid in 2 annual installment, and in this B section we have to find what was the sum borrowed. So just question is simply asking for certain sum of money which is paid back in 2 annual installment, each with Rs1764, by adding 5% annual compound interest. On A part we have to find a total amount paid in 2 annual installment, it means in 2 years, and on B section we have to find sum of money for whose the 2 installment is being paid back. So let's begin our solution. Here is the given. The annual installment of each year paid back is Rs1764 given, and the rate of annual compound interest rate is 5% per annum. So on A section what is just asking what is the total amount paid back. So total amount paid back, that is equal to Rs1764, and the total installment is 2, so we have to simply multiply with the 2, because 1764 is paid back in each year twice, so the total sum is being paid back, that is equal to Rs 3528. So in the 2 year the total installment paid is 3528 rupees. And in a B section what is just asking what was the sum borrowed for. It means we have to find principal sum of money. So let sum of money borrowed, that is principal sum be X, and here we have to find the compound interest for the 2 years separately, because on a first year a first installment 1764 it been paid back. So for that the only remaining part of amount in first year whose the compound interest is to be found, we have to process like that. So first we have to find the amount for first year, compound amount CA, that is equal to P times 1 plus R upon 100 to the power T. So here the principal sum of money be X, and 1 plus rate of compound interest is 5%, so here to 5 upon 100, and the For the first year, we put the value of t is 1. Now 1 plus 5 divided by 100, it becomes 0.05 power 1, and next times 1 plus 0.05 becomes the 1.05 to power 1, and x into 1.05 power 1, it becomes the 1.05 times x. So finally we have the 1.05x. That is the amount to be paid in first year. Now it is the compound amount for first year. Now after paid back of Rs1764 as a first installment in first year, so the remaining amount is behave as a principal for the second year. Amount to be paid in first year, that is called to Rs1764 as a first installment, and remaining amount to paid, that is equal to 1.05x. that is the total amount of first year minus the amount of installment is 1764, and this amount remain to pay after first year, and it behaved as a principal of second year. Now principal of second year, that is equal to remaining amount to pay, and that is equal to 1.05x minus 1764. Now again CA for second year, that is equal to P1 plus R by 100. Principal of second year, we consider it as P2. Here we consider it as P2. So here the remaining amount of first year is behave as a principal of second year, P2, and the factor is 1 plus R by 100 power. Time is 1 year because it is of second year, not of 2 year. Principal of second year is 1.05x minus 764 into 1 plus R level 5 by 100 power of 1, it becomes the 1, and the compound amount of second is again second installment, that is 1764. So 1764, that is equal to 1.05x minus 764. The whole factor, this become 1.05. Now we multiply 1.05x with 1.05, and it become 1.05 whole square times x minus 1764 into 1.05. Now finally 1764, that is equal to the square of 1.05, it become the 1.1025x minus, and the 1764 times 1.05, the product of these two become the 1852.2. Now we add both side by 1852.5 to eliminate this. 1852.2. The left side become 1764 plus 1852.2 and the minus 1852.2 and the plus 1852.2, it becomes the 0. So on the right side the remaining is 1.1025px. Now on adding these two we have 3616.2 and that is equal to 1.1025px. Now again we divide both sides by 1.1025. So the left side become the 3280 and that is equal to x. So finally we got the x equal to 3280. This is the final answer for total sum of money that is to be borrowed. Thanks for watching the video. If you like, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.